Welcome. Today in front of me OPPO Reno8 Lite, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So let's just first launch the Google application and then tap on the right down corner to more icon. Then click to the settings and tap to the voice. Then tap to the voice match. And now just to activate Hey Google option, we should click here once on the switcher. Now just tap here to the next, read the description, click yes, I agree, and say OK Google. OK Google. OK Google. After that, just tap here to finish, and now when we'll say OK Google or Hey Google, we can see that this feature successfully activated. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.